Yes, I'm feeding the birds, the goldfinches mainly. They are fun to watch. I like it when they land on the rope. Sometimes they slide down with their feet. This is Niger or thistle seed. It won't regrow. It's been sterilized. And they do like to eat the seeds. And then over here, I've got a feeder full of sunflower seeds. And yesterday I attached a bunch of little dowels to the other side because I got one hovering turtle dove that likes to land and just gorge himself on all the seeds, and within a day about 3 pounds of seeds are gone. So I've blocked him out of that, and he can't get in there anymore. He's not enough room. And it was the other side he was getting into, but this side's pretty well protected with a pole going down the middle. He's feeling kind of left out. Poor guy. These guys roost in the tree every night, and they have that hoo-hoo, goo-goo, goo-goo. Looked it up, and yeah, that's a turtle dove for sure. There's 2 of them up there, and I think they had babies. But I really like to watch these guys. They're most interesting. We get the pine siskin and the goldfinches here eating, and they love it.